ये रेलगाड़ी यहाँ मैदान में आ पहुंची है हमें भारत दर्शन पर ले जाने के लिए।
Wow, look at that. That's a very familiar and popular Bollywood number, Chaiya Chaiya. Just remember, it was choreographed and performed on the train. This is a great Indian journey. And what does this signify? The coolies who are at every railway station. Just remember, this is a tribute to the common man. It is a tribute to the small business. You've seen the coolies there, you've seen the bangles, and then the cycle shops. Every city, every town, village, cycle shops.
बिल्कुल जैसे कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक देश के कोने कोने से लोग इस रेल में सवार हैं भारत दर्शन कराते हुए। और ये
That's a tribute to the small business, the cycle repairman, the repair of scooters for you. Then you have the bangle stand. It's a perfect shopping destination for all Indian women.
खूबसूरत लाख की चूड़ियाँ, राजस्थान की लाख की चूड़ियाँ।
और sorry. Wow, and that's Bollywood.
कौन भूल सकता है बॉलीवुड का जो भारत से रिश्ता है। और ये गन्ने का रस निकालने की मशीन।
And then you have all those loudspeakers with the politicians. Every common man, just remember, experiences elections across the country at different points in time. Politicians come in to seek elections. There you see the coolies once again. Here are the politicians seeking votes at different times when you have the parliamentary elections, you have the legislative assembly elections, you have panchayat elections.
इतने सारे लाउड स्पीकर्स अपनी बात पहुंचाने के लिए।